Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to connect Apple Health to Calm. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to connect your Apple Health to Calm, then all you got to do is simply open your Calm. Once you open your Calm app, all you got to do now is simply go to your profile, which is basically on the bottom right corner. So once you go to your Calm's profile, you need to find the settings, that is the gear like option. Now you need to simply toggle into your Apple Health option. Once you have toggle on the Apple Health option, you need to grant permission by selecting turn all for data transferring and sharing like mindful minutes, sleep, etc. So this will sync your meditation and sleep data from Calm to your central Apple Health on your iPhone. So it will help you track mindfulness minutes and sleep pattern as well. So by doing this, you can connect your Apple Health to your Calm app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.